there, today, we will learn how to change the color of thje image on Canva. Let's go. First, let's open Canva. Select the design you want to work on. Or simply upload a file or create a new design and upload the image you wish to change the color of. You can also look for some graphic elements that Canva already has available. Working with these graphic elements is simple. Just select the image, and a wide range of available colors will appear in the top toolbar, which we can then freely change. Now, with our own image or photo, it is a little bit different. The different available colors won't simply appear in the top toolbar as you select the image. Instead, in the same toolbar we will select Edit. Open the Adjust option. Scroll down to Color Edit. Select the available color and play with the hue, saturation, and brightness bar. With the result, save the design. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe to the channel. I hope it helped.